Good morning. This is Itumeleng and Mbulayeni. Welcome to Word and Life Academy podcast. I'm here with.
Mpumi Mkhwanazi.
Oh, welcome. We're so glad to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
You look beautiful, by the way.
Thank you so much.
So we'll be here discussing about our management accounting officer course that we have with you, right?
Yes.
So let's dive into that. What is that all about?
Okay. Well, it's a program. Firstly, it's an NQF level 5 offered by the Academy, where you can, at completion, you get 180 credits. So it also is a pathway where you would be able to register with SEMA, so that your qualification can be globally recognized.
Okay, so I have a question. So before anything else, what is SEMA for people who don't know what it is?
Okay, SEMA is a qualification for management accountants, but it's also a controlling body for management accountants. So this program is called a management accounting officer. So once you get your qualification with the Academy, you would be able to get credits when you register for the qualification with SEMA.
Okay, that sounds fun, awesome, and hectic at the same time. So then, okay, so exactly what are the bases that you need for management accounting officer? What is it about? What do you learn? What do you get from it? What is the point of it?
Okay. All right. So the aim is, firstly, it's aimed at for people who are starting out, as well as people who want to upskill their career in finance. So if somebody is looking at becoming so we equip you with skills in the management accounting space. So you'll be able to explore things like budgeting. So basically, I can say that this qualification is comprehensive in that it will introduce you to budgeting, to forecasting, to analyzing reports, and also being able to interpret them. And this is a very important role for any organization. So you'll be in a team really that would help in the decision making for the whole organization, basically.
So you're saying decision making with the team. So I'll be part of the team.
Yes.
I'll be talking to them. I'll be learning from them. They'll be showing me the ropes and everything.
Yes.
So is that part of you like your work-based program at the same time that the college has?
Yeah. So unlike being with a university where you get taught theory, with this program, the Academy is offering a practical path as well. So you're not just taught the theory, but you're also given practicals, and that would, put you in a better marketable, I would say. You're better marketable as a student, as after getting your qualification, because an employer is looking at somebody who has experience. They don't want to spend time and money also equipping you with experience once you've got the qualification. So the Academy is giving you theory and practicals in order for you to be employable. So yeah, that's
so you just don't teach us and then kick us out one time.
No, it's not that. I think no. It's not that. I think, once somebody has the experience, it puts you in a position of, at anywhere you can be, also because the ropes now, you've got the gist of how things are run. I think you also put yourself in a position of even starting your own thing, being able to provide a service to those kind of organizations.
That's awesome. So the course doesn't limit you to being in South Africa. You can go global. You can just like be freelance, whatever.
Yeah.
You can do that.
So because being a management accountant, the management accounting officer, this program, you're not just you know crunching numbers, but it is about that. You're also able to interpret the numbers to somebody. If you're looking at a report, you are able to interpret. You can sit and tell someone what this report is saying. You're able to compile, put together numbers, why we got to this report, how the report is derived. So it it's a program that it's broad in the sense that I'd say if you're practicing with the kind of organization that needs it, it can be a non-profit organization, it can be you can be in government, you can be in corporate, and your skill is required. A lot of corporates are looking for professionals, and if you are equipped with this skill, then you would be able to fit in. You'd be able to, and also with experience, you are able to become a financial analyst. You're able to become a budgeteer. Or they call budgeteers what budget analysts sometimes. Yeah, but you basically are a strategic person in the finance space. That's where I said you're able to make decisions. A lot of organizations need, like, the management would need to know how the business is running. And so if you're able to produce the data, financial data, to enable them to see where they are, how they can move forward, what it is, which costs can be cut and stuff. So you play a vital role in the decision making for that organization.
So I get paid, in other words.
That's what you're taking from this, but yeah.
No, because then if we think about it, the economy is it's hectic as it is. So I'm thinking about it in a point of where the economy is bad. I'm not providing a lot of income from where I'm standing, and I want to take this to increase my income. You get what I'm saying? So I would be excited to take the course, but thinking that the pay is quite good. Not like it's crazy, but it's quite good. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
So does that also help in
Yeah.
that situation?
You know what I think, also what we need to just also mention is that even studying,
Yeah,
because tuition costs are very high at
it
times.
is.
Like a lot of the times they're very high. But if you do this qualification through the academy, I find that it's very cost effective. Also, you just, like I said earlier, with the practical skill, you're not just studying and then having to wait to
Yeah.
find a job. You're studying, you get the practical skill, and then you find a job. You are more employable than somebody who just studied through varsity, where a lot of money was paid. Studying doesn't come cheap at all. But I must say, through the academy, it is very cost effective. And I think it's more like it would be nice to have such institutions offering students a practical skill as well, not just to
But
give them a theory method,
yeah,
doing it that way. Yeah.
that's actually awesome. Because like I said, we in a bad economy, unemployment rates are high. You get what I'm saying? So not a lot of people will want to study because they would want to get a job. You know what I'm saying? But now you study and they help you get work experience, and then if you want to leave the place that they place you at, you can, and or you can start your business or what else in that area of your career path that you
Yeah.
chose.
I would, if you're considering starting your own business, I would also just, I think it would be advisable also to get some work experience as well. be exposed to an industry, because you see also this program, what is nice about it is that you can use it in any industry. You use it in like a manufacturing industry. So basically I think it would be advisable to get that kind of exposure of working before you actually get to work on your own. Get some sort of supervision, get someone who will say, okay, you did it correctly, or do you understand, other than just you
Just doing it
straight
by
from
yourself.
the academy. And then, but
Yeah.
I really would advise that you get that practical, the actual, now you are now working. So yeah.
How long is the course?
It's between 18 to 24 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if students, it's an online course, right?
Yes, mostly. But if for contact, if there are
Issues.
students who would like some sort of contact, we can have those as well.
Okay.
So it's
So if they have an issue, they can just write you an email or send you a WhatsApp.
yeah. So okay, I think there's if I stand to be corrected, but a platform that will be created for students to get hold of the facilitator. And if it doesn't work, so emails are always best as well. So maybe I don't respond instantly, like, it's not like WhatsApp, but also it doesn't mean that I won't respond. So yeah, in terms of whatever they didn't understand, or they just need to chat to the facilitator, I think, yeah, those platforms would be made available to them.
Okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So students do have the support that they need from you.
Yes.
And from the school.
From the school as well.
So that's awesome. Definitely signing up now.
That's great. That would be great.
But thank you for coming through.
Oh, thank you for having me.
You were such a lovely guest. Eh?
You guys were lovely hosts as well.
Thank
you. Okay.
We had an amazing time with our guest, Mpumi. She was such an amazing guest. She had all the information for us. It was such an amazing time. We really did enjoy her company. But if you want to learn more information about the course, the Management Accounting Officer course, you can check on our website, which is www.wordedlifeacademy.com, or you can follow on our social media pages, which is TikTok, Insta, and YouTube and Facebook. We're all there, which is Word and Life Academy. It is amazing. You can see what we have, what qualifications, short courses, anything you want to study is right there. Please click and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.